Hello, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and I am a Gel Moment Independent Distributor. I'm back. Thank you so much for being patient with me. I have not been having too much success with any creative juices lately on this channel. I've been kind of absent as well. My father passed away, and I've been finding it really tough to get back into it. So I'm going to ease into this with a little bit of neon manicure on my finger because I need something bright and happy on my nails, and this is really stepping out of my comfort zone. So I'm going to use high voltage, which is a very bright yellow that we have here, along with CU laser. I'm going to see if I can manage something with these two colors. So how about we get right to it? Before I get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you'll always know when I have something going on. I appreciate your support. I love the fact that you watch my videos, and I love the comments that I'm getting on these videos as well. So the fact that I can actually help somebody out there achieve these manicures at home really warms my heart. So starting off with high voltage and CU laser, I'm going to be putting a layer of high voltage, I'm going to put two, probably two, we'll see. The thing with our neon polishes, with this one in particular and CU laser, is that it is a bit sheer. So I'm going to be putting a layer of lovey-dovey, a coat of lovey-dovey on as a base, which is just our white polish, so that this will really pop. Okay, so let's do that. So I have 3 fingers painted here. I haven't cured them yet. Just wanted to give you a tip when working with lovey-dovey. So lovey-dovey can be a streaky polish because it is a white polish. And so what you can do to help level that out is tap your fingers before you put them underneath the lamp. And just give it about 10-15 seconds before you actually put it in the lamp to help these lines settle. I'm not too concerned about this too much because I'm going to be putting high voltage on top, but just some tips in the future. Okay, so now I do have this cured, but you're probably wondering why I didn't put any lovey-dovey or the white polish on here. I wanted to show you the difference of high voltage on a nail with white as a base and just using your regular nail, just having your natural nail base. So with having lovey-dovey underneath, these polishes really pop. The color really comes through. So you can see how bright that is already. And now I'm just going to put this on this nail, and you'll see how it's just muted a little bit. So if you don't put the lovey-dovey underneath, you'll have to put more coats of high voltage on your nail to get that really bright pop of color. I'm not going to focus on it too much because I'm just going to wipe it off. I'm not going to cure that, but you can see the difference. So that is the logic of putting lovey-dovey as a base. Okay, so I fixed this nail up and I put 1 coat of lovey-dovey on here. I decided to just keep with 1 coat of the white as a base, and I'm going to put 2 coats of high voltage on every nail to make it really pop. Now I'm just putting on a second coat. For the nail art, I'm just going to focus on the middle 2 fingers. So I'm just going to start off by putting some CU laser on my little palette here. Probably don't need that much, but that's okay. And then I'm also going to put Raven's Kiss mixed in with a little bit of the black stamping gel because I want to get into some fine lines. And this thickens up the polish a bit and prevents it from running and makes it that true black. So that way I don't have to do 2 coats of it on those fine lines. So I'm just going to put a little dab over here. So I'm just going to take some of the CU laser. I'm using the fine detail brush here. I'm going to just put a little round spot of it here. See how it works out. Now CU laser is see-through a bit, sheer, I guess that's the word to use. And I'm hoping that using the high voltage underneath is going to make it pop a little bit more. Let's give that a cure. Okay, let's put a second coat on and see if we can get it to be a bit more green. There we go, that's the look I'm looking for. We're gonna give that one a cure too. Okay, now getting into the Raven's Kiss and the Black Gel Extend Stamper Polish. Now I'm going to I have a really fine brush here, and I'm just coating all the bristles. I'm going to outline this. I love abstract art because there really is no rules. There are no rules. Sorry for the bad grammar. Just basically make the shapes however you like and whatever it turns out to be. I'm sure it'll just be great. Abstract nail art is my favorite. Okay, so see how that little green section pops right there? I'm just going to give this a quick 10-second cure here. Okay, so now that that black line is pretty much in place, I'm going to continue on using the black and using this fine tip. I'm just going to draw a shape that I'm hoping is going to work out, and I'm going to actually fill in afterwards. I think that works. Let's give that a cure. All right, what I'm going to do next is go back to my fine detail brush, and I'm going to take some of this black polish, and I'm basically just going to fill in the spot that I've drew. What's the proper grammar on that one? Okay, I like the looks of that, and we'll give this a cure as well. Next, I have a little bit of lovey-dovey on here. I'm going to put just a bit of the white stamping gel so that, again, I don't have to do 2 coats of it. This is going to make it super white and a bit thicker so it doesn't run, because I'm going to be putting some dots on here that are going to pop out on this black. So just give this a little bit of a mix. Okay, I'm going to be using 2 dotting tools here because I want to have small dots and kind of medium dots. So let's start with the medium dots here. And I'm just putting them in random places. And let's give that a cure. Now, if you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I like to finish off all of my nail art with either Clearly Frisky Simply Clear, or if you need a bit more strength, you can use the Gel Extend Clear just to basically smooth out the bumps on here. I don't like a lot of texture on my nails, and that way when people are looking at it, and when you're looking at your own nails, you don't see that, you know, the CU laser is just a bit higher than high voltage here. It's just going to smooth everything out. How fun is this? This is exactly what I was kind of looking for. Exactly what I was kind of looking for. This is exactly what I was looking for. Just something bold, completely out of my comfort zone. And I think this fits the bill. I don't normally typically wear yellow or green on my nails, and I wanted something vibrant and bold, and this is working out. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll see what I'm going to do on this nail. I'm just basically going to do more abstract nail art, and you'll see what the final result is. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you later. Ciao, ciao for now.